Hey everybody, April from Left Hook Creations again. I'm gonna do, I don't know what I'm gonna do. As you can see, I have a canvas here that I had to scrape yesterday because I tried to make a video for you guys, and oh my goodness, did it come out awful. Just awful. I did probably 5 different techniques trying to save it, and it came out worse and worse each time. So I'm gonna do something different with this, and I'm not gonna even try to attempt what I did yesterday again. So I think I'm just gonna layer some colors in this cup. I'm gonna do a straight pour out of the cup, and then I don't know what. So we'll see how this comes out instead. Let me get my gloves on. I don't want this to be a long video either. I already have paint all over myself. I don't know why I'm putting gloves on. Okay. So I have a whole lot of random colors, and I think I'm just gonna layer them in here in kind of a weird way. I'm going to try not to let them sink. And maybe this will come out extra colorful. I don't know. Maybe it'll come out looking like a muddy mess. Anything's possible at this point. Oh, this blue is my favorite. And I know I say that every time I use it, but it really is my favorite. It's so vibrant and so blue. And this purple I'm using, I mixed up myself. I wanted it to be kind of like a heather purple, so it's a little grayer, and I added just a little bit of a purple metallic color. In the hopes that it would give it just a little hint of a metallic shine to it. And we'll see how that works, because like I said, I had to scrape the canvas yesterday. And I don't know if it's in the camera frame, but you can see all the gunk I scraped off of here yesterday. And it looks better on the side of the table than it did on the canvas, which is really, really sad. Oh, come on, blue. Well, that's the end of that one. Okay. What do I want to do? Orange. I'm kind of doing, you can hear all that rain. I'm so sorry if you can't hear me so well. It's pouring. All right, that should be more than enough paint, I think. So, okay, this whole thing's full. It's about 9 ounces of paint. I think that's gonna be far more than I need, but we'll see. All right, here we go. Okay, here the colors come. All that beautiful blue is just lost, but I have some more coming soon here. Okay. And I'm going to do something crazy. Just because, why not? Whatever I do right now cannot be worse than what happened yesterday, so. No matter what, it's gonna be better. Even if it's ugly, it won't be as ugly as the thing I had going on yesterday. Oh man, was it bad. And I have so much paint on here, which I'm okay with. I'm hoping some of these lines that I stretched out will look interesting and bring a little interest to the piece. There's the blue. That's what I'm talking about. Not liking how muddy that part looks. I'm gonna stretch this a little bit more. That way. And a little more this way. Okay, what do I not like? What do I like? I really like this green line. I'm not a fan of this so much. But I like this down here. What to do, what to do. You know what, I'm gonna tilt this way a little bit. I don't know if I like it. I'd hate to waste more paint. It's like this canvas is cursed. I don't think I like this at all. So you know what we're gonna do? Whoops. I'm gonna try not to throw more stuff. I think we're just gonna do some puddles. Yeah. That's what we're gonna do. Because I don't like this. So we're just going to use that as background. So much for this video being short. Gosh. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do black. And then red. And then white. I just don't want this to be too pink. So I'm just going to do a little smidge. If I have to scrape this canvas again, I'm going to be so upset. I will be so mad. Getting to the end of this green. That's gonna be about it for that. I don't have any white left. Do I want to add orange? Screw it, why not? And then I think we're starting to lose our paint already, so I'm gonna start moving this. I do. Nope, nope, nope. I need that gone. Way too much paint on this canvas. So now I'm going to do sort of a swirl move. Try to get this to be slightly more spirally shaped. It may actually come out interesting. Whoa. I actually kind of like that. Yeah, I like that. Even with the random blue in the middle. Oh my gosh, I'm just dripping paint. I kind of like that. And it looks like there's going to be like some cells popping up here and there, little tiny ones. So we'll just see how that goes. I think this is the best this canvas, this stupid cursed canvas is going to be. And I'm just going to go with it. Somehow it got uneven. I don't know how. All right. So let's let's take a close-up of this hot mess. All right. So this looks pretty cool. I kind of dig it. The remnants from our first pour on here. I really love this part. I wish that was more on the whole thing because I only have it kind of in 3 places here, but that's okay. Well, that's about it, guys. Let me know what you think. And we'll see how it dries, and maybe we'll see this cursed canvas again if it dries like terrible and I have to redo it again. Yeah, we'll see. So thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time.